Winds right now are 55, gusting upwards of 83 kilometers per hour in that center of circulation.
Several villages were submerged in flood yesterday in the municipality of Cainta, which is a catch basin for other areas in the Rizal province.
Flash floods can happen anytime and anywhere. For centuries, flash floods have affected millions and even billions of lives, causing devastation to families and livelihoods from all walks of life. A long-term problem that seems inevitable.
Hello, Flood Control HRS Corporation. May I know who's calling, please? Sir Arnel.
One person who experienced this problem is Mr. Arnel Ignacio, a popular Philippine radio and TV personality and homeowner from Cainta, Rizal, Philippines, who suffered unfortunate losses due to flash floods.
Wala naman sa aming until I experienced a horrifying flood na pumasok sa bahay ko. Hindi ko na to inisip when I first purchased that property. Kasi nga, hindi naman pagkada ulan, wala naman eh. It was fine. I think the local government took care of the flood control system.
Due to Typhoon Ulysses, his property was nearly submerged in floodwaters that would cost him a huge sum of money.
Ang damage na nagagawa ng baha, aside from the emotional trauma that you will get out of the tragic experience, yung mawawasak sa bahay mo, alangan namang tuwing may baha, you will just surrender to the tortures of the flood.
Mr. Ignacio knew at that moment that he can choose two paths: wait for a solution to come his way, or find one now.
I think very differently from most. Most will tell you about the horrors, the pain, and the painful experience.
Yes.
I rather talk about how I will solve and face problems that I come face to face with.
Mr. Ignacio then recalled a German flood solution system he'd always wanted to have for his property.
You can never go wrong with the technology of the Germans. The standard that satisfies us, German technology goes way beyond that. So checking out the quality, it surpasses all expectations.
With proper engineering assessment from the RS flood control experts and the German technology flood barriers of Flood Control Asia RS Corporation, Mr. Ignacio's property was certified flood-proof.
First, after seeing it tested right here in my home, not a single drop of water passed through the barrier. It is so impressive, and everyone who saw the demonstration were all in awe because not a single drop of water penetrated the barrier, which is a great.
Flood Control Asia RS Corporation, a German manufacturing company from Clark Freeport Zone in Pampanga, specializes in providing flood control solution systems for every type of property.
That's geared towards solutions.
Okay.
Yeah, and that should give you comfort in your homes. You can buy quality. Once again, you can invest in your homes with quality appliances, quality furnitures, without fearing that deluge will come in and eat up all your investments.
Yes, especially hard.
To your cars, especially your cars. So that should be more than enough reason for you to invest in flood protection.
Protecting your properties and loved ones against flood is what Flood Control Asia RS Corporation is all about. Bringing German quality flood solution systems all over the world.